up, y'all? It's your girl, Dr. Nina, and I say this all the time, but daily habits can make or break us. Point blank, period. Now, when I didn't have habits that made sense, I was busy trying to make the day make sense. And that was super annoying. Click like if you can relate. So today I want to talk about my 7 simple daily habits that can help to change your life. And hold on, young grasshopper, I know some of y'all. Don't be trying to add all of them tomorrow and then by the next day saying none of them work, okay? Look, make sure you give yourself some time. Add in 1 or 2 here or there and work your way up. This can easily help to still transform your life. All items and all resources that I mentioned today can be found down below in that good old description box. And don't forget to text me, hey, Dr. Nina, over on my free text community. Yes, that number right there is going to give you access to knowing when I go live, when I have master classes, when I'm over on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and providing you other resources. Also, don't forget to join me on drninaellishervey.com and join my free 8-day supernatural video program, which is going to help you get your life all together and in order. Now let's get into this video. If you're enjoying the content, I would love to hear from you. So make sure you click like, comment, share, and subscribe. And that's how our community grows and flourishes. And many of you all are telling me you're not getting your notifications. YouTube is tripping. So do your good sis a favor. Go ahead and subscribe. Click the like button. Also turn on those notifications so that you know whenever I upload. So what I've had to really learn to do is to say no and mean it and stop with the people pleasing. Now, how many times have you avoided saying no when you really wanted to? I'll wait. I know I have. Are you doing favors for folks when you know you're really 2 seconds from losing your own mind? Do you end up hanging out with people you really could care less for? Oh, and worse yet, ending up hanging out with those people in places and spaces that you really don't belong or want to be in, and you end up paying to be there. You know, when you much rather be at home. One of the greatest things you can do for yourself is say what you mean and be true to what you need. Master the grand art of saying no. Now, if you're having a hard time of giving people a very dry no, here's some examples.
We need to get out for a little while.
Perhaps you could say, I need a little time to myself tonight. Maybe we could catch a little brunch this weekend. Or if they say something like,
I got a project I need you to jump on. You'd be so great for it.
Perhaps you could say, thank you so much for considering me. And while I would love to be a part of that, I can't dedicate the time and energy it might need. All of this helps to set boundaries and give you freedom. And if people keep trying you beyond that, because some people will, learn how to have that firm no. No, 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 no. If you're having trouble, check out my free ebook linked in the description box, which is all about ways to set boundaries in a healthy manner. I try to promise myself to do one thing every day that makes me feel good. So many days we complain because we have not given ourselves anything positive in the day. Think about it. We always hear so much about self-care, but it's important to learn to invest in realistic means of self-care. It's not always drawn out, dramatic, or even outside of our homes. You could listen to music, write some positive words down, learn a new skill, burn a good smelling candle, take a long bubble bath or shower, prepare a nice meal. Whatever you want, try to do at least one of them every day. Taking time off and unwinding, even for 10 minutes, can help to improve your mental health, improve your mood, and even your self-esteem. One of my favorite things to do is to be very intentional when I'm touching myself. Don't get the wrong idea. I love for gentle and compassionate touches that hit my skin to come from me first a lot of the time. I'm talking through skincare, body care, and even hair care. When I wash my face, I take time to move my hands around and gently wash and massage my face so that I become more familiar with it and more loving to it. I end up feeling better and looking better. And y'all, this happens with my body care as well. Every upkeep from washing, hair removal, and even application of body oils and body butters is quite essential. And that's why I love items like those from Billie that make it easy for me to get back in touch with myself. And I'm also happy to say that they are bringing you all today's video. Billie has quality razors which glide over the skin and keep it super smooth. I'm still getting outdoors and I'm staying in, and I'm still trying to keep it cute. Their razors are the first charcoal razors on the market. Encased in charcoal, they are a great detoxifier for a clean shave every time. And for my sensitive skin, I don't get nicks, cuts, or razor bumps with those Billie razors. I also feel like I can stretch my shaves a bit longer than usual. And y'all know I'm a clean freak. I love to keep my razors extra clean so that I can avoid having difficulties with them. And what I love about their blades is that they're farther apart, so they lead to less clogging. They come in really fun colors, but the best part is they're super affordable and only $9 for the starter kit, which comes with 2 blades and a magnetic holder. You can also skip the drugstore, and there's no pink tax, which is designed for women to pay more. And they have a super flexible subscription, so you can increase the cartridges when you need them most or get less of them when you don't need as many. Use the link in my description to get 10% off Billie's starter kit plus free shipping. All you gotta do is click the link at the top of the description box. Don't say I've never done anything for you. The next thing I must do is meal prep and get moving. For me, it works best to grocery shop at least 1 day a week and meal prep for the days that I'm responsible for. I make a list in the grocery app and make sure to include snacks. I like making lean protein, green leafy vegetables, stews, fish, and more. I even like keeping veggies and fruit on hand in Ziplocs in the freezer so that it's easy for me to make smoothies. The whole plan is no excuses. And it also reduces my impulses to eat things that I know I have no business. It saves money and it makes cleanup easier as well. As far as exercise, I know I don't have to tell y'all, but the benefits are real. It's just the truth. It's something we all know we should do, but getting your body moving for even just 20 minutes a day is one of the best things you can do for yourself. Not only does it help with the increasing of metabolism, but it also could help with the muscle loss that occurs as we're approaching 40 and even beyond. And there's also many other diseases and things that could be prevented and helped, like osteoporosis, cholesterol levels, blood pressure issues, diabetes, arthritis, and even depression. You still not convinced? I love to consider my time after my workout time to be lazy. I don't do much moving after I've worked out. I mean, necessary moving, like going places or doing certain things, but it gives me the license to be lazy after I've worked hard in that good old gym. I also plan at night for success the next day. I like to make it a habit to put my clothes out, even if it's just my workout clothes for the next day. And yes, even if I'm just staying home or working out at home. I make sure that I actually change clothes so that I'm making a shift in my day. I don't stay in pajamas all day because it gives me a sleepy mindset. Now, if you're not into the meal prepping, consider anything you might need for breakfast, lunch, or dinner the next day. And just get it ready the night before. Now, I don't know about y'all, but what takes me 10 to 15 minutes before bed often takes me 20 to 30 minutes or more during the morning craziness. So I have to make it a habit to be proactive. This includes getting my gym bag together, setting my keys out, making sure my purse is visible, and even putting my shoes where I can see them. It ends up making my day so much better. And overall, I make it a point to plan my days as well. A plan to be successful has to be made. I write down appointments or input them into my calendars, and I have my to-do and task list ready to go. It's set up to be ready to check off, and this keeps a map on my success and my goals for the next day. Scheduling time for exercise, cleaning, cooking, and leisure time can seem very robotic at first, but then it becomes a habit over time. It helps you to manage your time wisely and see what matters most for you. I like to take just about 5 minutes at night to write down a good to-do list so that I'm prepared for the next day. I go to sleep knowing that I have a plan, and it helps me to sleep even better. And somehow I feel like I'm actually working out the day in my dreams. I also have to mindfully manage my money daily. I'm checking my money, my feta, my guap, my cheese, and my cheddar. When I started to actively save money and I cared about it, I would check on my account daily. It gives a huge swift kick and a reality check. And you can catch any mistakes or fraud going on your account. And no one wants to check their account and be super shocked every time. No. Knowing how much money I have on hand helps to make it easier to stay on budget. I also see where the money is pouring and check myself. Even in a financial crisis, daily monitoring can help you feel more in control and more at ease with what you have and what you don't, and can help you turn the situation around. Now, my mama taught me this, y'all, but daily light cleaning and decluttering definitely saves my life. I try to make quick cleaning tasks a part of the everyday routine. For example, I try to make sure that I clean the bathroom mirror after brushing my teeth. It's nothing worse than coming back to a mirror that has caked on toothpaste and having to scrub it. I try to spray my tub or my shower down when I get out of it and empty the dishwasher when I have a few minutes to spare. I don't like to spend my whole life cleaning or my whole weekend cleaning either. And I don't like to do Olympic hurdles trying to clean up because somebody said they're going to stop by. It makes me so crazy. So that light cleaning literally helps to keep my mind together, and it keeps me more at rest and at peace. I feel organized and I feel in control. And as a bonus, y'all, learn to give thanks. I practice gratitude at night and in the day. I give God thanks for my family, my love, my home, Bella, my dog, my fulfilling work, my friends, and more. Taking it a step further and writing it down gives me so much joy when I look back and reflect. And even in the darkest times, you can find something that you can be happy about. And science does show that this can improve sleep, energy levels, and overall mental, physical, and spiritual and emotional health and wellness. So I hope today's video has been beneficial. Like I said, don't be rushing to get all 7 of these things in. Actually 8, because I gave you a bonus. Make sure that you join me over on drninaellishervey.com. And if you're needing more help to beef up your experience, get in on my mentorship membership program. There's all the information you need over there on my website. All right, y'all. Make sure that you comment, share this video with someone who can use it, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Beautiful brown baby doll. Peace. Just so you know, I did it. I finished the mentorship membership for you guys, and it's now live. Check the links down below to learn more about it, but it is full of courses, expert information, webinars, master classes, and everything with yours truly. So I'm so excited about this. This is my project, my baby, and I would love to share it with you. So make sure you check it out and join today. Check the links in the description for my free new Dr. Nina's Mentorship Facebook group, which is a group of like-minded individuals looking to progress, grow, and support one another along the way. The Now That's Life podcast is about to go into season 2, so I suggest you go ahead and subscribe to the podcast on all your major podcasting platforms. All descriptions and links for that and my free supernatural video course are found below. Thanks so much for all the love and support over on my new website. If you haven't already, go ahead and check it out and join me for new ways to interact with me, giveaways and prizes, weekly emails, as well as my free 8-day supernatural video course, which is free when you sign up.